Good run of that. I reckon water's getting the fuel. Something.
You got a little pot or something I can dip some fuel into to...
Yeah, somewhere. They're not the best.
There's only traces of water in it, but... it's coming back too. Not too bad.
No good. Huh?
The petrol's flammable. It just doesn't want to go. If I can still sub this one, alright to come back up tomorrow and pick this one up.
Yeah.
So I've got to get back, because I'm actually turn up at mine.
Yeah, no worries.
But this is another mate and he wants a bike as well.
There's plenty here.
So
They've all
if
got
he's
to
back
go.
tomorrow, I'll try and get him to come up tomorrow as well and try and get a couple of them shifted off you.
Yeah, it'd be good. I need this bloody space. Need to get the van on the go. You can drop that container down to you then.
Yeah.